Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would share with you how I do my makeup routine. It's very rare that I wear makeup. So on the very rare occasion that I do makeup, it's very simple. Not a whole lot of makeup supplies are needed. So it's very simple, very kind of natural look. So let's get started. Okay. So the only thing that I have on right now is the Beauty Counter Bright C Serum. That's all I have on right now. So I'm trying to go more in the direction of like non-toxic makeup. So I'm starting to go more into Beauty Counter. I've had a lot of recommendations for them, and so far I'm loving what I have. So I just have this on right now, and then every once in a while, so another thing that I use with Beauty Counter is their face mask. So I do this about twice a week. It's really nice. I really like it a lot. So if you're looking for like something non-toxic to clean your face or do a face mask, I really like Beauty Counter. And by the way, I am not affiliated with this at all. I will try to find my friend's link if you are looking into purchasing Beauty Counter makeup and like face supplies and stuff like that. I will try to find a link for them, but I am not affiliated with them. I just really like it, and this is what I use, okay? Okay, so I only have on that serum. So next what I'm gonna do is do the Beauty Counter Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer, and I go like a slight shade darker than my skin tone. So this is just the medium one, and I'll do about 2 pumps and then put it on. So this, you can use this instead of a moisturizer or do both. I've done both. I put my normal moisturizer on, and then I'll put this on as kind of like my foundation, and then I'm good to go for the day. But honestly, I don't wear makeup. I'm only putting on makeup on now because I'm gonna go to the grocery store, and I thought I'd make a video and show you guys how I do it. All right, so 2 pumps, 2 squirts, whatever you wanna call it. And I just use my hands for this one, but for the other stuff, I'll use like that sponge thing, whatever you want to call it. I don't know any of the terms for anything that I'm using, but I just know that it works. So, and I'm probably going to look in the mirror a lot too, which is behind the camera. So if I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking away, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. Okay, so it just gives my face a little tint. Make sure to do your neck because you don't want a line. That looks kind of gross. Okay. So it's not like full coverage, but it moisturizes and just gives a nice little glow, dewy, tinted look, okay? So next what I'm gonna do is get this sponge damp for my foundation. All right, so it's damp. It's not like soaking wet and dripping. It's just a little damp because it works better when it's damp for your foundation. Okay, so I'm also using the Beauty Counter. This is the Skin Twin. So this is again the medium 310. It's just a little darker. It's not gonna completely match my skin tone right now, especially in the winter, because you know I am not out sun tanning, which I wish I was. But so I'm just going a little bit darker so it doesn't look, I don't look super pale. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my hand, and then I'll dot it, and then I will blend it in. That's what it's called. It's called a blender. All right, so I probably do about 2. And then I kind of just go all over. And just kind of get your neck too. Remember, we don't want that line. Sorry, but it doesn't look very nice. It looks a little tacky and gross. So please don't have a line, okay? Just blend it all, make it look natural, nice. Okay, so remember this is damp, and all I'm gonna do is do like a blot. That's it.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Zoe. Sugar, hit my little hairs out of the way. All right, so it's all blended in. Now all I'm gonna do is concealer. This is super old, but I really like it. It's the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage, and this is a light 15. You can get this anywhere. So it's just gonna go under my eyes. And then I go a little bit lower so it all blends in. Remember, I don't want any harsh lines. So blot it and go down a little bit. And then cover up any zits that I have, because you know, I'm in my mid-30s and I'm still breaking out. Awesome. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so again, with the dampened blender, brain fart, again, I'm just gonna blot it, but I'm gonna use like the skinny side and just blot under the eye and get up in there and kind of up in here too. And then go down kind of on your cheekbone. Okay, just to kind of make me look like I'm not losing sleep and I am ready for the day and not tired, even though I am, because I'm my mom and I don't sleep well. And then I have my 4-year-old that wakes up at 2 in the morning to go potty. So she's 4 and still not sleeping through the night. And then any of the blemishes that I did, I'm also blotting them. I'm not rubbing it in, I'm just blotting it. I think that's the term, I don't know. Blotting this again. And then if it doesn't cover it all, oh well, whatever. But, okay, looking pretty good so far. So next I have my big kind of brush. This is the Dew Care. I don't know, I ordered it on Amazon like 4 years ago and it came with a bunch of different brushes. I just used the bigger one and I'm just gonna use, it's kind of a bronzer, but it's not super dark and bronzy like, you know, we did in the high school days. So this is just a blended one and I use it all over my face. I don't do any contouring unless it's like a very special occasion, like I'm going to a wedding or some big event, then I'll do nice like contouring and actually like put on a lot more makeup. But just for like an everyday heading to the grocery store look, I'm just gonna blend it all and put it all over my face. Kind of like that. And then remember, get on your neck because you don't want a line. And then I do go underneath my eye as well. And it just kind of gives me a nice little glow, some color to my face. Looks like I was out in the sun a little bit, even though I really wasn't because it's cold. And we just got, I don't know, probably close to 8 inches of snow. So, not outside as often as I would like to. as well. Okay. On some days, I will do, okay, so on some days I'll do like my normal moisturizer, and then after I put that on my face, I'll do the bronzer and put that on. So it looks like I have a little bit of color, a little bit of makeup, but it doesn't feel kind of heavy, even though this doesn't feel heavy. But if I'm like running out of time, I'll just quickly put this on so it looks like I have a little bit of color to my face. All right, so the face is pretty much done. I don't do any blush. One, because I think I kind of suck at it, and I don't know, I think this looks fine. It just kind of looks like a natural look. I don't need to do anything fancy, so I really honestly don't do blush. That's the only thing I do is the bronzer over the foundation. So next I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my eyes. On the day in the summer, I'll just have my normal moisturizer on, and then I'll just do my eyes. So I'll do a little bit of the eyebrows and some mascara, and then I'm good for summer. That's all I need. I don't do any foundation, nothing, because one, it is really hot out and I'm gonna just sweat it off anyway. So again, I'll just do the moisturizer in my eyes and I look ready for the day. So what we're gonna do is eyebrows first. And I don't put any eyeshadow on. That's just not me. I'll just use like the brush from the bronzer and kind of go like that, just so it looks all blended in. But I don't put any eyeshadow on. That's just not me. I'm not a full makeup kind of girl, okay? Okay, this is very old as well, but it works and I like it. So this is e.l.f. brand, and I think this is the e.l.f. brand too. This is the eyebrow brush, so you need a comb. And then I use this angled part to put a little bit of the brown in it, just to kind of fill it in. I don't know, I've never tweezed my eyebrows here. I've never had them done ever. I kind of already have kind of thick ones, so I just like to kind of finish it out, kind of make it look nice and full. So I'm gonna brush them first. I just kind of brush them up. I don't know if you can see. Okay. They look a little crazy now, but it'll all look good. Okay, and then I use the lighter brown color. I think this was a shimmery one at one point. I don't know, this is old, but you can get this anywhere. This is called Bite Size Shadow Eyeshadow Truffles. Okay, I'll have everything linked below, but this is what it is. You can get this anywhere. I think I got it at Target, to be honest. So I'll blot some on and then dust a little off. And then kind of brush it through my brow, filling it in a little bit, just so it looks kind of reshaped and nice. And I think I'm getting gray eyebrows as well, because that's awesome. So filling it in kind of covers up the gray, or I'll just pluck them out. So, see? So done, not done. So it just looks a little fuller, a little thicker. So again, I'm just getting more in, trying to look in the mirror at the same time. So yeah, I've never had my eyebrows done. I've always kind of thought about it, but then like trying to find an eyebrow lady, trying to get a sitter, the whole process, I'm like, I'm just gonna do it this way. And it's cheaper and it saves me time. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. This one looks a little crazy, but whatever, it'll work. Okay, so all I have left to do is mascara, and for my lips, I do chapstick. Again, I don't like it. I don't like gloss. I don't do any type of shades or anything. It's chapstick. I keep it easy, especially in the winter. I need chapstick because my lips get really dry. So this one, ooh, maybe it's Maybelline. Hang on, let me see if I can find another one. Okay, so for mascara, this is my favorite one. It has a primer and then the mascara, and it just makes my eyelashes look a lot bigger and fuller. I don't use any fake eyelashes. I don't get my lashes done, nothing like that. So this is the Voluminous. I think that's how you say it. Okay, so this one though, this one is a waterproof one. So I'll wear this one in the summer when I'm swimming. So this is the waterproof one. And I just get like the super black one that I can get. And this is just a regular one, but it got rubbed off, so. All right, so I'm gonna do the primer first. So it's just the white primer. But I'm gonna go do it in the mirror because I can't look in the camera and do it at the same time. So hang on. Okay, it's kind of hard to tell, but there's a little bit of white on it. So all I do is I go in and kind of wiggle up, just to kind of get all the little lashes primed and ready and kind of combed up. And then next, all I'm gonna do is the mascara part. So, okay, let's see if I can do it. So, and if you get it on your eyelid, don't worry, I want to show you a really easy trick. Okay, I want to look in the mirror because this looks awkward and I feel like you're looking at my nose. Okay, so this one has it on and this one doesn't. So you can kind of tell a difference. So I'm going to do the other eye and then we're pretty much done. All right, so I'm pretty much done. I have a little bit of mascara on my eyelid, so all you have to do is wet a Q-tip and wipe it off and it comes off super, super easy. So I'm gonna do that right now, put some chapstick on and then I'm done. So I'm done. I'm done, and this is even my headband. It's my daughter's because I don't own a headband like that. I need to go buy one. So yeah, done. I am ready for today. Just a quick natural look. I think it takes me like 10 minutes if I do the foundation. If I don't, then I can just do the tinted one, the tinted moisturizer, and then put that bronzer on and I'm done. Or in the summer, I'll just do my moisturizer and then the eye, so the eyeshadow, not the eyeshadow, the my eyebrows and my mascara, and I am done. So that's it. I'll have everything linked below so you can check it out. Try it out. It is super easy. You don't need a whole lot of stuff to do your everyday natural makeup. And I saved a step by not doing eyeshadow because I just don't like doing eyeshadow. All right, so thanks for joining. Please make sure to like and subscribe to help out my channel. I really, really appreciate it. Hope you have a blessed day. Bye.